What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Patra Kiera, and I know that you guys see I have a brand new look. Yes, I have chopped my hair off and I bleached it. I kind of just did this like on a whim. I wanted to already bleach my hair, but I had no idea that I wanted to cut it. But y'all, I cannot. I'm so lazy with my hair. Like, I just have to chop it off. So we're gonna just get into the video today. Before we do, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and let's go. So in today's video, I am going to be providing you guys with ethical and sustainable brands that you should check out. I have not shopped from all of these, but I'm only giving you guys recommendations of places that I have heard of or that I'm familiar with or that I definitely am planning on shopping with. The first brand that I'm going to discuss today is Cold Laundry. Cold Laundry is actually a Black-owned brand. It's a London-based brand founded in 2019 by Ola and Charisse Alibi. I think they're a couple, if I'm not mistaken. Their pieces are so fire though. For an ethical and sustainable brand, you know, you're used to basics and just neutral tones and neutral colors, but just the way that they play with the cuts and the tailoring and the pieces is just really amazing. Like, it's just so good. So I decided that I would recommend this brand to you guys. They carry basics ranging from hoodies, boxy tees, sweatpants, blazers, trousers, trench coats. Honestly, they have so much, a huge range. The only thing that kind of sucks is that their pieces sell out because they are so fire. But when I went on the website last week, or yeah, I think it was last week, they definitely had some new things. So you guys should definitely make sure to check them out. Their philosophy is, our clothes are meant to inspire, calm, and bring about happiness and pleasant thoughts. This philosophy is reflected through the tones, the designs, and the location we capture our imagery, which I think is so dope because they do a good job with their visuals, and it is a unisex brand. So if you guys are looking for a sustainable brand to shop, you should definitely make sure to check out Cold Laundry. The next brand I'm going to discuss, which I actually discussed in an episode of Blackface Creative Spaces, is Local European. Local European is a sustainable Black-owned brand. Once again, they specialize in basics. They carry swimwear, trousers, basic sweatshirts, and dresses. Their style is more described as minimal with a bit of edginess. All of their pieces are made of dead stock fabrics, which reduce textile waste and save energy and lowers the carbon footprint, which is like a huge issue within the fashion industry already. And they only produce in small quantities, and they do not restock because everything is produced with the dead stock fabrics, like I said. This brand, I think this is a women's wear brand, just so that you guys know, but they just really have nice pieces. And also I think that their visuals, I'm just a visual person, so if I see that a brand really puts effort into their visuals, then I'm just already sold. Like, I already want it, I'm already sold. So I feel like the brands I'm recommending may be like very visually appealing, but at the same time they have such a great mission statement behind them. All right, so the next brand is called Tank Air. This is a little bit more of a pricier brand. They are a slow fashion clothing brand made in downtown LA. On their website it states, Tank Air believes aesthetic shapes perspective. The design is conduit for mindset. We design clothing to elicit a state of being, bold without being loud, sophisticated without being boring, and playful without losing depth. Most of their pieces are made from luxury dead stock fabrics, so their pieces are on the pricier side due to that. Their mailing packages are also made in the US, and they are 100% recyclable and biodegradable. So the pieces that they have on their website include bodysuits, cat suits, skirts, dresses, tanks. I would say that the items are a little bit more, they're like basic, but like an elevated basic. Yeah, they're like an elevated basic, I would say. So if you guys are interested in shopping Tank Air, make sure to check them out. So I don't know how to pronounce this next brand properly, but I think it's called Meow. I don't know. I honestly have no idea how to pronounce it, but I think it's called Meow. You might have seen this brand on Instagram because that's where I found this brand, just their ads. Like, I kept seeing ads about this brand. And Meow carries, it's a women's wear brand. They carry trendier pieces, I would say. So if you want something that's a little bit more for like going out or like a girls' night out, I would say that this is a great sustainable brand to shop. They carry corsets, matching sets, dresses, trousers, and they also have things that have like funky prints. I know that a lot of sustainable brands don't really do prints. They just kind of stick to basics, but this brand has more fun with creating their clothes even though they are sustainable. They source and design locally as much as possible, and a lot of the production takes place in LA. So all of their overseas production is transported by boat instead of plane to eliminate an immense amount of carbon footprint, which I think is really cool because I know it takes a lot more time to be transported by boat. The brand's 3 core fabrics include denim, crepe, and mesh, and normally are made from Tencel biodegradable fabrics or locally sourced dead stock fabrics. They achieve the print, so they do print, but they achieve it through digital printing, and they also have a zero waste policy, and they use biodegradable packaging as well when they ship out your products. They also give back to the community, which I think is great as well, so you guys should definitely make sure to check out Meow. I think that's how you say it, or Meow. It has to be Meow. I can't see it being anything else, but yeah, just check them out. So the next brand that I'm going to discuss is called With Jean. With Jean is a brand that carries trendier pieces as well, like cute pieces that you can wear on a girls' night out or a date night. And their pieces are ethically produced between Indonesia and China, working with artisan sewers and curators. They work with nitrile fiber fabrics, including rayon, cotton, and linen. All of their pieces are hand dyed and printed, and their pieces are packaged in biodegradable plastic. This brand has a lot of really cool pieces, and I actually found this brand through Julia Dang, who is a YouTuber as well. She has a channel called The Lineup, and she makes epic videos. So I was actually scrolling on Instagram, and she posted like a birthday outfit. It was I think it was like a 2-piece set. It was so cute, and it was actually from this brand. And I just happened to look, and I saw that they were a sustainable brand, but their pieces are so cute. The price ranges for their brand go from about mid 100s to like mid 200s, I would say. So the next brand that I'm going to discuss is Pangaia. So Pangaia is a material science company working with scientists, designers, and technologists to create sustainable garments. So they carry a lot of hoodies, tees, shorts, sweatshirts. That's like their main focus. Pangaia is a company that is committed to a zero waste circular system, and they actually work along with Renewal Workshop, which is a US-based organization that ensures that each item may receive a second life through being repaired and either upcycled or recycled. They provide, I would say, the best wardrobe like essentials, like any essentials that you need for your wardrobe that are basics, they have. And all of their essentials come in different colors. They may have like the same hoodie and maybe like 5-6 different colors, like blue, red, yellow. Yeah, so I really think that this is a brand you guys should look into. Their items also arrive in a TIPA packaging, which is a bio-based plastic alternative that can be composted and broken down within 24 weeks. I think that you guys would really enjoy Pangaia. If you don't know about them already, you should make sure to check them out. Next brand I'm going to discuss is a denim brand. It is called Outland Denim. So they actually employ women who are either exposed or who have been victims of human trafficking, which I thought was amazing. They have it all on their website, like the whole statement as to why they do that. So if you guys want to look more into their company policy and mission statement, then I'll leave it down below. So on their website, they only have a few products, like basic cuts of denim for men and for women. They currently have 15 products for women, including denim pants, jackets, and a dress. and they have 6 products for men, including denim jackets and pants. Their denim is created using organic cotton, which is 91% less blue water than regular cotton. So if you guys are interested in finding sustainable denim that is of quality, then I would check out this brand. Their price ranges go from about mid 100s to mid 200s, I would say. So yes, make sure to check them out. Now I'm going to talk about some footwear brands. I only have 2. The first one is Veja. I want to say Veja so bad, but it's Veja because I was listening to a podcast with Jeff Staples and he was interviewing the founder of this company, and it's pronounced Veja. So Veja is a sustainable footwear brand. So under their project tab on their website, they have an entire story on the whole production process of their shoes, which I thought was pretty cool because it's very transparent. Everything is there for you to see, even the factories that they're produced in. Just everything is on their website if you really want to know the production process of their shoes. Since 2004, this brand has applied fair trade principles, working directly with the producers. They use organic cotton as well to produce their shoes. They purchase their organic cotton for the shoes a year before production actually takes place. And on their website, I learned that 70% of a sneaker brand's cost comes from ads, and this is a company that is ad-free. They don't run ads because their shoes cost about 5 to 7 more times than it takes to make a regular sneaker. So they cut out ads so that they can make sure that they can still price their items, that they can still price their shoes at a reasonable cost compared to their competitors, which I thought was really dope because I think that ads are like so important to a lot of brands. If you guys are looking to shop Veja, they are available at Net-a-Porter and Farfetch. I think there's some other websites as well that you could probably find them on, but those are the 2 main ones that I know of that I've seen them on. They're such a casual shoe that I feel like you could wear with everything and anything. So you guys should definitely make sure to check out Veja. And another brand that is sustainable that I actually did not know was sustainable are Doc Martens, and I learned this through Caitlin McKenzie, who is another YouTuber. I was watching her video on just different sustainable brands, and she mentioned Doc Martens, and I never knew that it was a sustainable brand. But on their website, they have a code of conduct that you guys can check out, and it has everything listed as far as their ethical and sustainable approach to their brand. In their code of conduct, they commit to providing safe and hygienic working conditions, no child labor, no excessive work hours, and there's so much more on there that you guys can see. So they audit their suppliers, and they also do not work with any companies who have critical non-conformances. They are a member of the leather working group, and they also audit member tanneries because of course they use leather for their products. So the shoe boxes are made from 100% recyclable material and is printed in soy ink, which is solvent free and easier to recycle. I'm sure if you guys don't already own a pair of Doc Martens, now you should, because they are a little bit more sustainable and conscious of what they do and how they make their products, which I thought was pretty dope. I have a pair of Doc Martens. Don't really wear them that much anymore, but yeah, they're such a great shoe to have. They will last you forever and ever. Yeah, so you should make sure to check out Doc Martens. I will leave the link below. They also have them on Essence as well. It's like cooler, I would say like cool versions of Doc Martens are on Essence. So we are at the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. These are just a few ethical and sustainable brands that I found. I hope that you guys are able to check them out and shop them. They are all within a decent price range, I would say. That is the only reason that I provided them for you. And they are like quality and aesthetically pleasing. So yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next one. Peace.